Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dionne. Alright, today I am going to be showing you what is in the FabFitFun starter box here. Alright, now as you all know, I did recently sign up with FabFitFun. Now I did sign up in between boxes, in between the spring 19 and summer 19 box. So they gave me, so I paid for editor's box, which is an in-between season box, and I did do an unboxing of that editor's box, which I will link above if you're interested in watching that. And so when I did that, they did send me an email that I had 3 starter boxes to give to, you know, whoever I wanted to give one to, so that they can try out the box and maybe want to join themselves. And in the starter box, they got 3 to 5 full-size products, and all they had to pay was $5. So basically the box was free. They just had to pay the $5 shipping. And in there, like I said, it was just a starter box, so they can see if they want to go ahead and continue and get a full-size box. So for my 3, I actually sent one out to, well, I gave a emails invite to my mother, my neighbor, and my son's little friend. So now my son's friend does not wear makeup at all, but she wanted to help me, which I did not know that she was going to get it. I just wanted to send out the 3rd one because I know a lot of people that I know do not wear makeup. They just don't. They say they don't have the time and energy to put into makeup and so forth and so on. I mean, I have friends that's my age, younger than me and older than me, and a lot of them, they just don't wear makeup. So, you know, and there's nothing wrong with that. But anyway, so I sent it to the people who I thought, you know, could benefit from it. Even though I knew my son's friend did not wear makeup, she told me to send it to her because I was talking about it with my husband and so forth, and she heard. So she told me, and so I sent the email. And I didn't know that she was going to really get it or not, but she did. So anyway, so she did get the starter box, and but I told her after she got this to go ahead on the website to cancel, because I don't want her spending $49.99 for a box that she's not going to use, because she gave me the starter box and told me to keep it because she knows she's not going to use it. And you know, I was saying give it to your mom or your sister or whoever. She was like, no, that's okay. And she gave it to me. She said, you know, it was just $5. And I said, it's got some nice stuff in here probably. And she said, you can keep it. And so I'm going to keep it. I just wanted to show you what was in the starter box that she got, received. So now, again, like I said, I got my mother and my neighbor. Now, my mother and my neighbor both got their starter boxes, and they love what was inside, and they decided to go ahead and move forward with the subscription. So their first box will be the summer box. That's coming out, you know, in June, and as well as me, that'll be my first box as well. You know, the official box will be the summer box. So we're all 3 excited to get those and to see if we get the same thing and things like that. So you know, all good. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. And again, I'm just showing what's in the starter box just in case, you know, any new people that start FabFitFun. You know, I think the starter invites, they give you the invites to give to 3 people or however many people. I don't know if everybody gets 3, if you get 4, if you get 5. I don't know how many people get, but they gave me 3 to give to people for free, and they just had to pay the $5 shipping. So yeah, and yeah, I'm just showing it to you since it's going to be my box, and I just wanted to show you, you know, just in case somebody is thinking about getting the FabFitFun, they can start out with a starter box. Well, not from me, but maybe from someone else, since I've already used all 3 of mine. But yeah, and if someone did start FabFitFun and receive the box and they have invites, maybe, you know, if you show somebody what's inside of a starter box, maybe they may be interested. I don't know, but yeah, this is just to show you what's inside the starter box. Okay, all right, so let's just open her up. Sweet little girl gonna give me the box. Isn't that just the sweetest? Sweetie. But anyway, all right. And all right, again, well, you saw the outside of the box, and then when you open it up, it says FabFitFun starter box. Very nice, just like my first box was. All right, so let us begin. So the first thing, as always, is the FabFitFun, and it says starter box, and then it just has some headlines on this little pamphlet like they do show. And then it says on the back, are we friends, and has the social media information for FabFitFun. And then the magazine, you can just look in, and you know, has like a tells you a little bit about the co-founder here. Let's see, perks of the box and top rated products, and just a little magazine, you know, that you can read. 5 ways to boost your workout, and the venture begins. Just a whole bunch of little fun, interesting information on the box. It even tells you how the box is curated, and has the horoscopes. The last one I read in my first box was kind of weird, so I don't know if I want to, but since I'm here, I might as well. Sagittarius, okay. Sagittarius lives a life of adventure. Her restless feet take her to new places, and her curious mind makes her easy to talk to. Since she's always on the go, and it always has a little product mentioned in the little horoscope. So for mine, it says, since she's always on the go, the BKR Little 500 milliliter is a perfect addition to her travel backpack. So yeah, and that is that. That's cute. So, and then let's see, next is a note from us. And then the other side is what is in the box. And it looks like what's in the box. Total retail value $200. I didn't wanted to read that real quick because I didn't want to see. Now the one on the front, a note from us at FabFitFun. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFit member. Enjoy some of our top rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing, FabFitFun. How cute. All right, and then under that, this is what the little tissue paper looks like. It says share to win, FabFitFun. All right, and open up the paper, and right away I see, I've seen people use these on YouTube. This is nice. She gave me this. I'm so excited. Okay, so anyway, the first thing is, it looks like it's 2 of them, but it's the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. And it's 2 of them. This is so, I've seen people use these on there. I always thought that would be so fun. No. But I haven't bought masks in so long because, you know, I keep getting them in different subscription boxes, so I haven't had to buy none. Like I've been getting sheet mask, clay mask, peel off mask, so I really haven't had, you know, no need to buy masks. And so now I even got 2 more to add to my collection, because for masks, sheet masks, I don't do all the time. I'm more of the clay mask, especially with my skin right now starting to break out more for whatever reason. I think it's because I'm trying so many, excuse me, different products that I wasn't doing before. Since I started my channel, I'm just trying all types of stuff, whether it be drugstore, high-end, dollar store, whatever. And so I think that has a lot to do with why I'm breaking out a lot now. I mean, I wasn't getting, you know, a lot of acne before, but it's okay. You know, I take care of it the best way I can and try to hide it the best way I can to keep my youthfulness, honey. But anyway, yes, I'm very excited to have these. So yeah, very nice. I'm actually gonna show this to my son's friend and see if she wants this, because like I said, she gave me the box because she says she doesn't wear makeup or anything like that. And I did tell her it wasn't all makeup. They had lifestyle stuff too, and fitness stuff or whatever. So, you know, once she filled out the survey, because she went on there and filled it out and all that type of stuff. But anyway, if she still doesn't want it, you know, I'm going It's mine. And no way will this be in a giveaway. Ha, yes, I'm bragging. Sorry. Alrighty, now, the next thing is Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Anti-aging, okay. Renews skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. That's me. That's everything I got. I mean, I don't have wrinkles like that. Lucky for me, at least right now, I don't have any wrinkles. But, you know, I always talk about my skin problems. It's just basically the moles that I have. I don't really have bad skin underneath. Like, if you look past the moles, my skin is not bad at all. So, you know. But anywho, yeah, and it looks like this. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator Anti-Aging. That's very, very nice. This is nice. And I know Dr. Brandt products are expensive. So this is really nice. I'm going to tell you if it's, you know what, I don't even know if it tells you the prices on here. It does. But once I get done showing everything, then I'll tell you the prices. Because I just want to be surprised on all these products. So, you know. Now that I think about it, I might not tell her nothing, honey. I'm keeping all this stuff. But she watches, so, you know, she'll tell me if she wants it anyway. But anywho, the next thing is Truffle Therapy. This is Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Oh, this is going to be great. Radiant Dew. This is basically, just by reading it, I'm going to guess, is, you know, when you may... well, for me, what I would use it would be for the same reason that I use my e.l.f. You see, I'm almost out of this. I love this product. Since my skin, this is the e.l.f. Soothing Aloe Mist. Lightweight mist soothes the skin and refreshes makeup. That's exactly what I'm thinking this is. Like, you just spray it on, like, say you're doing your makeup and you've been sitting a while and maybe you might start to feel a little dry. You look in the mirror and might see little, well, for me, dry patches. And then I usually spray this, and it actually perks my face right back up. I really, really love this. I was actually on my way, not on my way, but about to order some more of this because I think they have like $25 no shipping now or something like that. Well, they always have some kind of deal on shipping, or you get free gift or whatever. So I'm going to order me another one, but I may hold off on it because I have this now, because this is exactly what I'm going to use this for. Is like a renewing spray, like on my face, and maybe I may see something dry while I'm waiting or whatever. Just spray it. It'll perk your face right back up. And I've also used it like if I was out, because I keep this in my purse in the summertime a lot times in the summertime. I don't always remember to put it in my purse, but when I do, yeah, and I'm out somewhere and I may feel a little bit, whew, I do spray that. I do. And so, yeah, this is going to be very nice. Yeah, and it's a refresh mist. So, yeah, that's exactly what it is. You're refreshed. And I don't feel like reading the directions, but I'm pretty sure. Shake well before each use. Activate the botanical extracts. Holding the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from the face. Close your eyes and mist. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm happy to have that. All right. Yes, man. This is a very nice box. So, that was, let's see. The Glam Glow, that's 2. That's count as 2 products, 2 masks. You get the Dr. Brandt Exfoliator and the Renew Mist. That's 4 products. And this looks like the last product, which I'm not sure what it is, but looks like this in the packaging. Is this a pillowcase or something? All right, let's open. Oh, I see fringes. Oh, no, this ain't no pillowcase then, because I see fringes. Let me see. Let's see what this is. It's nice. It feels good. Oh, it's a scarf, isn't it? Oh, yeah. This is a scarf, y'all. Yep. It's like a scarfie. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. You can wear it around you. Let's say you were sitting in the car and don't want your hair to blow when your hair is done. Just put this thing on, tie it up, keep your hair all out the, you know, from blowing all over the place. Tie it, looking like one of those 40s actresses when they sitting in their little convertible. Hi. Hey, yeah, put that on. I don't have to worry about that right now because of my braids. Or you can wear it you know, as a scarf, I guess, during the summer or whatever. Or, you know, if you was at the beach, I bet you this goes around your waist. Goes around your, I don't have no, yeah, it fits around. I could tie it, but, yeah, I wouldn't wear this to the beach. But you can do a whole bunch of stuff with a scarf. Y'all know you can wear it on your head when you tie your hair up at night. A whole bunch of stuff can be done with this. So, you know, if you do get this, use your imagination. And yeah, that is everything in the box. Oh yeah, let me tell you what the prices are, just in case you're interested. Like I said before, the total retail value of this box is $200. That's awesome. All right, so the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion is $79, y'all. $79. The box was free, okay? Just $5 shipping, okay? Starter boxes are great. I should have probably came online and told some of my YouTubers about this, shouldn't I? Sorry, people. That was totally my bad. I should have did that, but sorry. Sorry, next time. If there is a next time. Maybe they may give more starter boxes. I don't know. But anyway, for anybody that's never tried it. But anyway, and then the Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew that I am going to so love is $35. And the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet 2-pack Oxygen Bubble Mask is $18 for the 2-pack. That's good. That's actually a good price. $18 for the 2. Because y'all know how expensive Glam Glow products are. So, yeah. So that's good. And then the Rachel Pally scarf. $68. Okay, see y'all about to, woo, got to have me cutting up in here. All right, $68 for the scarf, y'all. $68. This box was free, okay? Free. Yes. All right, that is it. Enough said, okay? So thank you, everybody. See you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you never miss an upload. Like and comment.